I'm excited to share with you the release of the Countywide Strategic Plan's annual report. The purpose of this report is to share the progress we've made on implementing the Countywide Strategic Plan. It highlights our ongoing commitment to creating a highly effective and efficient government, one that delivers meaningful actions benefiting the community while maximizing the use of every resource to its fullest potential. This report is intended for everyone in our county, residents, elected officials, employees, and anyone who shares our vision for a better, more inclusive Fairfax County. Our key elements of the report are the 4 key drivers of the plan, which are equity, community outcomes, data integration, and inclusive engagement. First, equity. Our goal is to operationalize our One Fairfax policy. This year, we focused on the implementation of department equity impact plans with new dashboards that highlight disparities by population and place. Next, community outcomes. We've taken a phased approach to tackle the 10 outcome areas, leveraging data to strategically advance our key strategies for implementation. Then we have data integration. So far, we've launched 5 data dashboards and a data stories, including effective and efficient government and safety and security, with the remaining 5 in development. These dashboards allow us to delve into population, data, and see how our residents are faring in all 10 outcome areas. And finally, inclusive engagement. In line with the action plan introduced in our last report, we've begun implementing the Inclusive Engagement and Communications Action Plan. As part of the initiative, we've partnered with the Language Access Team to provide county residents with more options to access information and track progress on the strategic plan in multiple languages. Releasing an annual report is important because it demonstrates how the county is using a thoughtful approach based on data to improve our quality of life, from enhancing public safety to expanding economic opportunities. The county remains focused on delivering meaningful actions for all residents. To learn more about our Countywide Strategic Plan, I encourage you to visit our website at fairfaxcounty.gov/strategic plan. There you'll find links to our past, present, and future work. Thank you for your attention and for being part of our continued journey to create a highly effective and efficient government in Fairfax County.